Hello everyone, long time no see, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got two Chanel bags to review. One is Chanel 19, I'm gonna review this bag. Another one is my new bag, Chanel 22 in medium size. I'm gonna review this on my channel. Actually I have my bag, Chanel 22 here. It comes with just a dust bag with no box because the box is huge, it's gigantic. And that's why I asked to get rid of the box. So yeah. So the postage can be much cheaper without that. So that one was just checking the big Australia Post box, and that's it. I think I can save some postage from that, you know. Well, the reason why I was away for a really long time was because it was visually fatiguing for me to consume luxury contents. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to concentrate on myself. I'm going to concentrate on what's on my priority list first. For example, my education, career, and my health. And also, I didn't watch many videos about luxury goods in the past 6 to 8 weeks, and I was very satisfied with my own willpower, you know. I think it all started, yeah, let's talk about this just for 1 minute. Let's talk about this. I think it all started from me unsubscribing one of my favorite YouTubers, right, aka a content creator. She used to say, yeah, how classic bags are very boring, like Birkins and Kellys or Chanel classic flat bags. However, she went on holiday and she went on and bought I reckon it's Birkin 30. And she was like, oh, I don't even like Hermes. Look, I scored a bag. Well, it's first and foremost, I acknowledge that it is her money. She has every right to buy whatever she likes, even though it can be contradictory to what she said in the past, right? She was very staunch about how those classic bags are dated, old lady like, and they aren't as functioning as modern bags, aka Fendi Peekaboo, which I totally agree. But I guess it's just me, right? We always have to take a grain of salt of what they said on their channel. So I think it's just me. I don't feel like comfortable consuming her contents anymore if there's a contrast between what you believe in the past and then you're just kind of like showing off your Birkin bag or whatever, for whatever reason, maybe for views, maybe, you know, she just changed her taste. Who knows about that? But, you know, it's just not something that I would appreciate, so I unsubscribed her on her channel and unfollowed her on Instagram. And it's all good for me. I only keep one YouTuber who talks about luxury on my list, and that's it. Okay, that's it. And that's why I made less contents about unboxing or buying or selling or all this stuff on my channel, because I was like, okay, I need a break, right? I need a break. Yeah, that's what I've been doing for 6 to 8 weeks, and I'm very happy with myself. Okay, without further ado, let's have a look about my Chanel 19 bag. So I bought this bag like almost 3 months ago. I think it's like 10 or to 12 weeks for now. I'm not sure. Maybe 8 to 10 weeks for the duration. So I never reviewed this bag on my channel. I've never unboxed this on my channel because I thought it was very uneventful. You know, Chanel 19 is kind of like not as popular as it was back in 2019, 2020, even 2021. So I didn't do it. Also, this one didn't come with a box. That's why the price was very reasonable. I wouldn't say cheap, but I would say reasonable. I paid $5,600 Australian, and I bought this from the Purse Fair. Right, the price was originally $8,600, and this baby, had been sitting there for a year without anyone touching it. So I'm very glad that I snatched this up after I saw the price down to $5,600. Absolutely amazing. This one is, I'm gonna give you a great review, right? Not review, but review of this bag. Right, so this one is a fabric bag. It's in tweed. Right, I'm going to give you 3 pros and 3 cons about this bag. So first and foremost, the pros, the color. I love the color. Look at the green. It's just one of a kind. I've never seen this before. I don't think I owned some fabric bags in the past. For example, my Her Bag 31, it's in very thick canvas, but I've never owned anything in tweed. All right. Yeah, the color, I love it. Absolutely love it. This one goes very well with any of your neutral outfit. I know neutrals can be slightly boring over time, but if you carry this bag, this color is going to definitely add a pop of color to your outfit. It's absolutely eye-catching. All right. So the first and foremost, it's eye-catching. It's very unique color. And the second one is the second pro of this bag is that functionality-wise, it's perfect. Why? If I open this bag, you can see there's just one single flap bag here, right? There's no other flap to get in your way to retrieve stuff. Meaning, it's easy for me to get all my stuff from here, right? Compared to classic flaps, all right? Also, there's a back pocket with the snap closure here, and you can chuck your phone in this pocket. Very handy. Great functionality and practicality wise, very great. All right, so yeah, I think, and it looks more modern compared to classic flaps, right? So second, very useful, very helpful, and this one is only in small size. Third one is the price. I'm here only talking about the price on the secondhand market. If you have a look at the secondhand market, all the bags are down way below retail price, which is great. Right, so if you go to the Persa Fair, go to Coco Approved or any other consignment stores, you can definitely find great deals of this bag. Right, so let's talk about the cons. Okay, I'm also gonna give you 3 cons of this bag. First and foremost, this fabric in particular, tweed, they're gonna give you lots of fluff. All right, look at the fluff here. And they are not the easiest bag to maintain and to maintain, you know. Once the damage is done, for example, if you're going to spill some coffee on this, it can be a disaster because those damages aren't reversible. They are irreversible, unlike, you know, you sprinkled some water, you spilled some kind of liquid on your leather bags, right? Because you can always find a way to either wipe it off or blend it into the leather. But for these, a stain is a stain, okay? It's not gonna go anywhere unless you can take this to a professional place. But I don't know where can I do this so far. But so I've always been very, very careful about my Chanel 19 bag, you know. This one is the first con, not easy to maintain. And the second one is, look at the chain. The chain, look at the tones. One tone, aged gold, with me, and here, and this part here is the silver tone. Look, 3 tones. Very, very busy bag. Very busy bag. So the second con is too many tones on the chain, and also the chain is bloody heavy. You can wear this as a shoulder bag, but at the end of the day, this part will dig into your shoulder. It's not pleasant, let's say. And also, even you can wear this as a crossbody bag, like this crossbody bag. But if you have long hair, longer than mine, your hair is going to get caught by those chains. So if you do mind these kind of issues and these which can bother you, to be honest, day in, day out, you need to reconsider whether you should get a Chanel 19 bag. Okay? So last by no means least is this bag can be quite heavy. I don't know about the leather version, whether it's going to be heavier or lighter, but for me, still, it comes from the chain. The chain, very chunky. It can be very heavy. Of course, this bag is not as heavy as the double flap, what size is it? The jumbo bag, but still, it can be quite heavy due to the chain. So, if you do mind those 3 cons that I mentioned before, you need to carefully consider this bag because the chain could be an issue for you if you are going to choose this bag as your day in, day out bag. So, yeah, just be careful. For me, all in all, I'm going to give this bag 9.5 out of 10. Just not 9.8 out of 10, despite all those flaws, right? Just like this condition stated on their website. The condition originally was 9.8 out of 10, which was kind of like good, to be honest. Just except for it was just sagging. It was sagging a little bit, but I wouldn't mind at all. So all in all, this one is a very beautiful bag as well as useful. So if you do consider buying a Chanel 19 bag from the pre-loved market, I would highly recommend you to do that because the price point is great. You can find heaps of variations on this bag in different sizes, color, in different leather, and fabrics. It's an amazing bag. If you don't like those classic double flap bags because you think they're too formal, you can hardly wear them in different occasions, I do recommend you buy this bag because this one only has 1 single flap, and if you want to retrieve stuff, just twist, open, get your hands in it. All right, and yeah, I love this bag. I love this bag very much. So But I didn't unbox this on my channel because I've just been waiting for a right time. So let's do the second bit. So the second bit is about me unboxing. It's about me unboxing my Chanel 22. I know Chanel 22 is a very controversial bag. Some people absolutely hate it. Some people love it. Some people love it to some point. They got 3 Chanel 22 bags in different sizes, different colors and leathers. But for me, I just want to dip my toes in the water and see how things go. All right, so ta-da, it's here. This is a real unboxing, by the way. So I just took this out. I just took this out of the post office box, but I haven't had a chance to examine this bag. But I want to do this in front of camera, and I just want to see my raw feelings and opinions towards this bag. So it's quite hot in here, or it's just me. Look at this. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. It says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Have a nice day. It's great. I bought this from an Instagram page. So the seller is based in Melbourne. And I paid $8,450 Australian for this medium size. Remember, this one is a medium size. But after I paid for my deposit, I found a cheaper deal on Coco approved, but it was too late because I'd already paid my deposit. But you know, sometimes things like these happened. So yeah. This one is almost, the condition of this bag is almost new. Yeah, just fixed my light. So yeah, where were we? So yeah, I was taking this out of my I don't know why I'm so excited about this. So, but you know, I was just taking this out of the plastic. I feel like I'm very excited about this because I've been waiting for this Chanel medium bag. You know, who would have thought that I would buy this bag? This is so not me. This is just so not me. That's why I'm laughing, you know. I'm laughing at myself because I was like, oh, but it smells really good. Oh, it smells very good. It's a shiny calf skin. I'm laughing because, you know, just like I said, who would have thought me getting this bag? This is nowhere near my style. Okay, this is nowhere near my style. So let's see what's inside. The safety bags. This. Like I said, remember this one is in medium size. Okay, it's not in small. Small one is a little bit slightly more expensive than those ones in medium size. So let's see what's in it. I just think it's very funny. Yeah, I reckon if I get some color in navy or in black, it would definitely look like a rubbish bag. However, look at this medallion. It is called medallion, right? Yeah, because I'm laughing at myself. I think I'm out of my mind. This is absolutely not my style. If you have a look at my channel, if you can go back to my channel and watch other videos, you wouldn't know. My style is more like ladylike, a little bit more like above informal, above casual, but just a little, but not too formal. But this one, look at this. That's why I'm laughing. So how am I going to manage to remove this bag? Not remove, just like, you know, adjust the chains. I don't know. And obviously, look, it's not a black hole. It's fairly okay, to be honest. This one is in medium, right? Medium is, I remember the base. The base is 37 centimeters. So if you're a mum or if you're a student with a laptop and all that, I highly recommend this size, right? I'm laughing at myself. Really, how can I even make this work for my style? But if you wear a t-shirt like this, I reckon you can. Look, yeah, it's not too bad. Actually, it's not too bad. I don't know why I'm laughing. Maybe because I'm so excited about this bag. She said this one has never been worn. It's absolutely brand new. Oh, look at the calf skin. It's quite soft. Yeah, it's quite soft, to be honest. It's not. Oh, this one is not. It's not as heavy as this Chanel 19 bag. Let me pull out the Chanel 19 bag. Oh, actually, even if this one is in medium size, it's light. It's lighter. Oh, it's lighter than this one. Right? This one is Chanel 22 is lighter than Chanel 19, even though this one is in medium size, and additional 19 is in small size. So yeah, but it's just I just think this bag is too hobo-ish. Look, but you can definitely chuck everything in here. And when there's a snap closure, right? When you want to take out things, I guess you can just do this and blah, 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 take out, right? Good. Actually, it's pretty good. I don't know why I was laughing at myself. Maybe because I've never thought this could be my style, you know. And on top of that, I think I changed my style for a little bit. If you can see, I'm wearing a t-shirt, which I hardly wore in the past, but, you know. Yeah, I think it's good. I also need to show you, it says Chanel here. Let's examine this bag together, right? So, medium size. I'm happy with it, even though, what? Okay, let's see. And it's a pouch. I need to show you the pouch as well. Yeah, the pouch. Oh, absolutely. The sticker is still here. Oh, great. Let's see what's in it. I think it's something is in it. Oh, I found this. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Great. And on top of that, there's another snap closure. So it is in this corner. So 4 corners. Great. But somehow, can someone tell me how to adjust these chains? I don't know how. Look. Why they're bloody short? Can someone tell me how to adjust these chains? I love this color in caramel color. Who doesn't like caramel, to be honest? Very warm, okay, very warm color. And it doesn't sag, it doesn't matter. Oh, I love this bag. Okay, I'm gonna finish this video by wearing this bag here. So yeah, in general, I'm very happy with my purchase, all right? Even though I found a cheaper deal later on, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah, just leave me a comment. Which one would you choose? A fabric Chanel 19 bag as your daily bag, or this one? Okay, I'm back. So my MacBook here, it's MacBook Air. I think it's in 2000 version, right? The screen is 30 inches, so you can perfectly chuck it in the medium size. But you can't put it horizontally. You have, obviously I'm wrong, you can definitely put it horizontally. To put it vertically like this, otherwise it won't fit. So, and you just do this, here we go. And we're done. Yeah, you can bring this for a MacBook. But I wouldn't do this quite often because I think somehow my laptop will damage the bag. Okay, thanks everyone for watching my video. I know I haven't been putting out my contents for quite a while, but if I do, I will let you know, okay? Hopefully you've enjoyed my contents. Please remember to give it a thumb up if you like it, or if you want to interact with me, please leave some comments here. So, and subscribe my channel if you haven't. So, well, that's it for my video today. Bye. Hey, I'm just back. So I put my MacBook in it horizontally and it fits, all right? My previous information was a bit wrong because, yeah, I don't know what happened back then. So if you have a look, so my MacBook horizontally, I don't have the ring light right now, but I can tell you that my MacBook horizontally, you can check it in without any doubt, okay? But remember, this one is in medium size.